Class 8 Maths Chapter 8 Compound Interest. The concept of compound interest is also applicable to the problems on the rate of growth. The rate of growth is positive in case of population growth and R is taken as positive, and the rate of growth is negative in case of depreciation in the value of machinery or decrease in the value of property. R is taken as negative and the formula changes accordingly. When R is positive, that is growth rate is positive, then formula to find amount is A is equals to P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. And when R is negative, growth rate is negative, then amount is equals to principal into 1 minus rate by 100 raised to the power n. Now let's do some question based on growth and depreciation. The value of car depreciate at the rate of 10% per year. If its present value is 65,000, what will be its value after 3 years? Now, value of car is here principal is equals to rupees 65,000. Rate is 10% per annum and time is 3 years. Now here growth rate is negative. The value of car is depreciates with time. So formula to find amount is P1 minus R by 100 raised to the power n is equals to value of principal is 65,000. 1 minus rate is 10 by 100 raised to the power time is 3. On solving this, we get 65,000 into, take the LCM, 100 minus 10 by 100 raised to the power 3 is equals to 65,000 into 90 by 100 into 90 by 100 into 90 by 100. On solving this, we get rupees 47,385. So after 3 years, the value of car will be 47,300. Next question. The present population of a town is 31,250. If the annual increase in population is 4%, what will be the population of the town after 3 years? Here, present population is 31,250. This is principal. Time is 3 years. Rate is 4%. Now, population is increasing with time. So, formula to find the amount is 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So, principal is 31,250 into 1 plus rate is 4 by 100 and time is 3. 31,250 into, take LCM here, 100 plus 4 by 100 raised to the power 3 is equals to 31,250 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. On solving this, we get 35,152. So after 3 years, the population of the town is 35,152. In a factory, the production of scooters increased from 20,000 to 26,620 in 3 years. Find the annual rate of growth. Now, initially the quantity of scooter is 20,000, so P is equals to 20,000. And after 3 years, the quantity of scooters is 26,620. So, amount here is 26,620. And in 3 years, so time is equals to 3 years. We need to find the rate. As the quantity of scooters are increasing, A is equals to P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. Now amount is 26,620 is equals to P is 20,000, 1 plus we need to find the value of R and n is 3. So shift 20,000 from right hand side to left hand side. We get 26,620 by 20,000 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 3. Now divide numerator and denominator by 2. We get 13,310 by 10,000. Now cancel 0 from numerator and denominator. We get 1,331 by 1000 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 3. Now 1,331 is the cube of 11 and 1000 is the cube of 10. So we get 11 by 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 3. Now compare this equation. We get 11 by 10 is equals to 1 plus R by 100. Write 11 by 10 as it is and shift 1 from right hand side to left hand side. Now solve this. 11 minus 10 by 10 is equals to R by 100. Now 1 by 10 is equals to R by 100. Cross multiply it. R is equals to 100 by 10 is equals to 10% per annum. So rate of growth is 10% per annum.